Go ahead and step up to the rope, hold it on the bottom. Stay about 1/2 feet away from the cables. Bend your knees, stick your butt out. Bring the cables to your side. Keep those shoulders back and down. Make sure your hands are far apart so when you bring it down, it comes right by your leg on the side of it. Now come up to a 90-degree angle and come down all the way. Squeeze. Perfect. Lock that elbow out so you get a nice burn in the tricep. Look how far apart his hands are. You want to keep them far apart so they come right by your side. And also you don't want to bring them inward and outward. They stay in one plane of motion right in here, right on the side of his hip. Notice his wrists aren't bending. They're nice and straight. They're not moving back and forth. We're looking perfect. Look at that tricep working. His arm is straight as well. It's perpendicular to the floor. It's not forward. It's not backward. Okay, watch. Bring your arms back. Now watch. Go all the way down. Bam. He can't extend it. So bring it forward now, perpendicular to the floor. Chest up.